Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy.
Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I pretty much created this look using, you know, products that I'm just now using for the first time. So this is pretty much a first impressions makeup tutorial. And throughout this tutorial, I did use a couple of products from a brand called The Beauty Crop. And they are pretty much a makeup brand that uses natural ingredients in all of their products. And yeah, they decided to send me some products, and I just decided, you know what, why not just do a review, because I did get, you know, some other new products. So I'm just like, let's just combine everything together and do one big video showing you guys my first impressions on, you know, some new makeup that I'm trying for the first time. And I created this look right here, and I really love the way that this turned out. I love everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the products that I used and how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then sis, pause this video and go hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright, so first we're going to start off with the brows. And for my brows, I did use this product before and it was bomb, but I ran out of it and I haven't been using it ever since. So I just decided to, you know, pick this up. So this isn't really like my first time using it, but I love it, and I think I forgot how, you know, it works. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 6, which is the darkest shade. I feel like this eyebrow pencil will do the work because I'm pretty much going for like a natural brow. So you guys, I love this pencil. It makes it so easy to get into those sparse areas without applying way too much product. And then I love that it has the brush at the end because you can just smooth out your brows. I mean, I feel like this pencil is going to give you the most natural brow ever. So I really love this pencil, and I'll definitely be using this again because it just gives my eyebrows that natural look, which I love. Alright, so I'm gonna carve out my brows using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna use, okay, so I got a couple of concealers, and let me show you guys what I got. I got the NARS, and I had the NARS in Biscuit, but I got it in Custard, just a lighter concealer shade. The Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm, and then in the shade Medium Light Neutral. And then I got the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C11. So I'm not sure which concealer I'm going to use. I kind of want to use all of them, but so I think I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution in the shade C11 on my eyelids just to prime them. So this concealer is pretty much like a dupe for the Tarte concealer. Just like really excited to see how this works, because when it first came out, I watched like a lot of reviews, and they said that the concealer was really good. It's just that it smells like chemicals, and from my point of view, I actually did smell it, and it kind of does, it does smell like, you know, like a nail polish. I don't know why, but yeah. I got this palette from The Beauty Crop. This is the Expresso Yourself palette. I think it's really cute. It's like pretty much like a coffee shop as the palette design, and the eyeshadows are made with coffee extract, which I think is really cool. And yeah, so The Beauty Crop is a cruelty-free beauty brand inspired by healthy living and creating products enhanced with nutrition derived from natural ingredients, hence the coffee extract in the palette. And yeah, so they decided to send me some products, so I'll pretty much be using their products throughout the video, along with some other new products that I bought myself. So here's the palette. It's really pretty, and yeah. So we're gonna jump into eyeshadow. To start off with our transition shade, we're gonna go into the shade Gingerbread, which is this like orange shade right here. And we're gonna pop this color in our crease area. We're gonna use this as our transition shade. So this shade is pretty much like a really pastel shade. I'm not really seeing much pigment in this color, but I'm gonna keep applying and see what happens. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but that's what we have so far. Go into the shade Pumpkin Spice. And that color is really like a orange shade, and I'm gonna drag this color high up. And I'm pretty much just gonna go over the shade that we applied down first, just because I feel like it's not really popping up, giving me any pigment. So we're gonna use this orange shade as our transition shade instead. This burgundy shade right here called Raspberry Mocha Kiss. And we're gonna take this color to pretty much define our crease. We're gonna go into the shade Americano, this dark brown shade. Pack this shade on. Going back in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, we're gonna go ahead and carve out our crease. So I feel like this concealer did a pretty good job at carving out my crease. I think I want to do a shimmer just to see how pigmented the shimmers are. I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus on my brush and into this shade right here called Strawberries and Cream. Okay. Alright, so the shimmers are super nice. Going back in with the brush that we used for the dark shade on the outer corner. We're just going to smudge the edges. I'm going to do this shade right here called Expresso. This shade is going to go on the outer corner. It's like a nice blue. I think it looks really nice. So now that we have that done, we're going to go in with eyeliner, and this is their Winged Woman liquid eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm going to use their Fabulous Flocking Lashes nourished with argan oil and jojoba, and this is a waterproof mascara, and we're just going to give our lashes a coat. Ooh. Wow. Alright, so our lashes are on, and now we're going to get into the face. And I don't have any primer, so I'm going to use the SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And for foundation today, you guys, I finally got my hand on the NARS foundation. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade Tahoe. Go in with my stippling brush. I'm so happy that this is my shade. Oh wow, it looks so good. Wow, you guys, I really, really, really like this foundation. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. It was worth the coins, you guys. This foundation was $50. $50. You guys know how I am with, you know, my affordable, my drugstore. I love my drugstore. I love my affordable. But, I mean, I love it. I really do. I really, really, really do. So I got the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealers, and I'm not really sure if I want to use this or the Makeup Revolution. I think I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution just because, you know, it's affordable for you guys if you guys do decide to get it. And this is in the shade C11. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this and see how this blends out. Okay. Wow. Wow, guys, this concealer is blending out flawlessly. Super flawless. Wow, I actually really like this concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my cream contour, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. So guys, if you don't know, my birthday is in June. I am a Cancer. I am super excited because we are already in June. I feel like this year has already just flown by super fast, and we're already in June. Like, we were just in February and March, and you know, like, it's just flying by really fast. But I'm super excited for my birthday. I'm going to be 19 years old this year, in a couple weeks, and I'm just really excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but you know, that will come. And to set my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. And a lot of you guys have been asking me what shade in this powder I am, and I didn't really know that it came in shades. So I am in the shade 07041, if that helps you guys. I don't have any new contour products, so I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Snatch our cheekbones. Now back to the eyes. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner from Morphe and just apply this in my waterline. And going back into the palette, I'm going to go into Raspberry Mocha Kiss, which is the burgundy shade. Drag this on our lower lash line. Then going into Pumpkin Spice. Also going into the shimmery shade that we used on our lids. We're going to apply this in our inner tear ducts. We're going to go on to blush, and for blush I'm going to use the Blush Duo from the Beauty Crop in the shade Figget. Cream blush right here, and then the powder brush. I'm going to use the powder brush. Blush. Wow. So pretty. You guys, this is blush galore. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. Also from the Beauty Crop, I'm going to use their Glow Milk. And this is nourished with coconut oil. And this is like a really, really, really cute packaging. It's like a nail polish. So I'm going to apply this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use my beauty sponge, tap into it, and then go ahead and apply it. Alright, so I think that is really cute, but as for like a highlight, I would not use this just because I feel like it's not as pigmented. With that being said, I am going to go in with the Loreal Lumi Glow Nude, and I have never used this before, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here called Jupiter. Maybe these two. Apply this. Ooh. Ooh. Telling y'all, I be telling y'all, don't sleep on the drugstore. Don't do it. Wow. Blinding, right? So I'm gonna go back in with the mascara and apply this on my bottom lashes. Then we're gonna spray our face with the MAC Prep and Prime. The Beauty Crop also sent me some lipsticks of theirs, and we have the shade Date Night, Butterscotch, and Bellini. And apply this. Oh, guys, right. So Bellini is a metallic lip. So here's Bellini. I don't really think it looks good with this look, so I think I'm just gonna use Butterscotch because it's pretty much like a nude shade. Yes. And I'm gonna go in with the Milani Matte Lip Cream in the shade Adorable and go ahead and plop this over that. Just because I feel like it's a little bit too pink. And we want nude. I'm gonna apply some brown lip liner just to the outer part. Alright, love, so that completes this video today. I feel like this look came out pretty nice, and I love, you know, everything. I love the foundation, the concealer, the blush, the highlight, you know, everything just looks really nice. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, you can't live a victorious life if you won't train your mind to be focused on Christ instead of your issues. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe.